One TV special report.
Daghang salamat palihog ng lingkod. Ganiha sa mensahe sa dakbayan, sa mayor sa dakbayan sa Osamis, wala siya magamit o rostro niya. Nakita nako na ang tanan halos nagtanaw gyud niya kay kuno guwapo ang mayor sa dakbayan sa Osamis. Dayon, kung ako mo istorya dito sa Kapitolyo, ang akong mga empleyado dito sa Kapitolyo mingon sad na guwapo ang ilahang gobernador. Pero karon sa likod ganiha saba kayo kay mingon sila mas guwapo gyud kuno ang anak kaysa amahan. Tinuod kana dili lang mas guwapo pero mas talento o mas maayo kaysa amahan. Yes. Tungod kay kitang mga ginikanan, siyempre ang kayo sa anak nagagikan kanatong mga ginikanan. O ang atong kalipay mao na ang atong anak mas mulabaw pa kanato buot pasabot nagmalampuson kita nga ginikanan. Atong pagpakan ang mayor, City Mayor Henry F. Waginal Jr. Ako isulti ninyo na karon dire sa atong binyo naka-cover tag CCTV. Dayon, doon na unyay mga special announcement sa benefits. Kung wala mo mamati, nakita sa CCTV, unya dili ninyo madawat ang maong special benefits. Kaya waman mo, nakibalo kaya waman mo namati. Diba? O, karon kining ato mga players sa atubangan, swerte kay ni sila. No? Kay niya sila milingkod sa atubangan o labaw sa tanan, namati sila sukad ganiha o tungod niya na makadawat sila og premyo.
Wow!
Kini ganiha atinti binis la, walay tulog-tulog, so makadawat sila og tag 2,000.
Wow!
Yapon siya of those men.
Nag-bring ng siya ako doon. Wow! 2,000 is given to our participants here in Kuwait. Winners na sila doon, pay-attenders sila. Happy itong nag-pray ganiha doon.
Ang nag-pray ganiha, mali sa tubangan. Salamat ka sa insi, kaya pa doon tumanto.
Our chess champion also.
karon ni Grandmaster parte sa disiplina mo ang atong behavior nga mahibalo mamati sa iyang isig katao o sa mga speaker sa programa. No? Unsay ngalan ni Bodong? What's your name? Jerry? Jay? Unsay apelido? Abalian, taga din man ka? O taga Butuan? Guwapo kayo itong bisita taga Butuan, no? Okay. So, ang akong pagtibaya sa atong host, local government officials, din ang atong binyo aniya karon si Mayor Juju Roa o ang iyang Vice Mayor Risa Waminal de los Santos kauban sa mga konsehalis dire sa lungsod sa Clarin. Of course, ang ato nga Vice Mayor o mga sakop sa sangguniang panglungsod sa Dakbayan sa Osamis. Niya sa likod ng Panguluhan si Vice Mayor Bibi Niri. Kauban usab nato ang atong mga provincial officials, ang atong Vice Governor o mga board members. Although, just like our city Vice Mayor, ang atong Vice Governor, wala karon dire kay siya mo'y nag-head sa atong delegasyon na nag-benchmarking tungod sa atong proyekto sa atong beach resort na Maldives inspired. So tuwa karon ang atong Vice Governor sa Maldives, Malay, no? Kauban sa pipila ka mga sakop sa atuang provincial team. Of course, ang atong mga board members niya, na diri si board member Quezon, and uban pa, no? O ang atong mga department heads sa province o sa city. Of course, mapagarbohon kita atong ang nadungong ang atong guest of honor, ang atong Grandmaster Eugene Tony. Salamat, sir, sa imong kanunay na pagmahal namong misamisnon kay nasayod ko na dili lang kani ang unang higayon na imong giobanan ang among chess tournament o dili lang kay kini ikatulo kauban sa imong pinangga nga asawa nga mo'y sikrito sa imong pagkabatanon. And we will be moving forward for your fourth visit, which I will announce later part of my closing message. Of course, mapagarbuhan ta na anira sa laing nga Grandmaster, si Grandmaster Darwin Lailo, si Grandmaster Joey Antonio, and other distinguished guests, mga participants, dinikanan sa participants, mga higala, ladies and gentlemen, mayang buntag, kanatong tanan. Mula mo ang likod, wala pa makapamahaw. Kaya wala maka-response. It is my distinct honor and pleasure to welcome you all to this second Governor Henry S. Waminal Open Chess Festival. The renowned Chess Festival is being conducted in honor and in connection with the 76th city charter anniversary of the city of Osamis under the leadership of our team Asinso Mayor Henry F. Waminal Jr. This is not only the activity that the provincial government is supporting the city of Osamis. Tomorrow, we will be having also the City Mayor Henry F. Waminal Jr. and the Sangguniang Panglungsod of Osamis in collaboration with Senator Ramon Revilla and our Congressman of the 2nd District, Sancho Fernando Waminal, and the provincial government. We will be having the ayuda para sa mga Osamisnon para sa pag-asinso. Dito ipahagayon sa nakalain-laing binyos sa dakbayan sa Osamis. More or less, in addition sa gipangtagaan o kayuda na sa local government sa Osamis in the past days, like their BPAT and other barangay functionaries, then tomorrow the different service providers, and in the succeeding days, farmers, fisher folks, mga PWDs, including the LGBTQ, will be receiving ayuda from our provincial government and from our national government, from President Bongbong Marcos and Senator Ramon Revilla. Initial pa lang kana. But today, we are gathered here not to compete, but to celebrate the rich tradition and enduring the spirit of chess. This game, with its deep history and strategic complexity, has brought people together from all walks of life, young and old, bridging cultures and generations. First of all, ako ipagawas, I'd like to express my gratitude in behalf of the provincial government, the Misamisno, to all who joined and participated in this first chess festival, including those who may participate in the past. I am still amazed with the overwhelming support from everyone and its success. This year, as we host the second Open Chess Festival as part of the celebration also of the feast of our Blessed Virgin Sakota, and as I had mentioned, in connection with the 76th charter anniversary of the city, together with the Asinso Misamis Occidental Federated Chess Association nga gipanguluhan sa atong maabtik dynamic President Mr. Engineer Ray Orbis Tondo. Salamat, my brother, for your efforts in organizing this event as we move forward to another big event come November this year. This is also made possible with the support of the National Chess Federation of the Philippines, with the National Director, former Congressman, Attorney Nery Colmenares, who visited us last week. Thank you for allowing us to host this prestigious tournament, graced and participated by bright and renowned chess players, and enthusiasts in the country. Today, we are joined by Nolis Dan, our Asia's first Grandmaster, Yojan Torre, and one of the Philippine top Grandmasters. I am also very glad to see stars in the international scene. We have IM International Master Daniel Puison, Michael Concio, Eric Labor, Rolando Nolte, Ronald Bantod, and so many others. You know, if you are a title holder, a Masters, Grandmasters, International Masters, or a defending champion, kung mo-participate mo o tournament nire organized by the Team Asilso, sa inyong pag-participate dahan, doon na mo'y madawat nga recognition, a special prize from the provincial government. So, daog na daan. Chess is more than just a game. It is a testament to the power of the human mind that teaches us patience, foresight, sa gingon pa ni Grandmaster, discipline, and the importance of thinking ahead. Kining thinking ahead sa Binisaya, paglantaw sa unahan. Kinahanglan kitang mga kabataan, kaduna kita paglantaw sa unahan, mo ka na ang paglantaw sa atong ugma, sa atong mayong kaugmaon. Para atong nang makapot, kinahanglan ang giingon ni Grandmaster, disiplina nga kita makahuman o eskwela, and then ma-professional makatrabaho para mo asenso. The provincial government of Misamis Occidental recognizes the vital role that chess and all sports play in fostering a vibrant and united society. This is part of our sports development program under our 5 Aims Development Trust. Dire sa Misamis Occidental, ang among vision, Asenso Misamis Occidental. Unsang klase nga pag-asenso, dili lamang ang lugar, kung dili ang mga katawhan nga kaming misamisnon, magkuyong malinaon, malambuon, o malipayon. As I urge also other citizens outside Misamis Occidental, nga kamo kita magmalinaon, magmalambuon, magmalipayon as a Pilipino. Kinahanglan mo asenso, no? Asenso Pilipino. Our commitment to sports development is reflected in our ongoing initiative, such as in the One Miss Octane for our participation in the Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association, and to the Palarong Pambansa in order to focus our resources for a stronger One Misamis Occidental. The provincial government of Misamis Occidental fully supported the need of our athletes financially in terms of trainings, sports development, sports equipment, facilities, uniforms, food, and other needs. We also provided incentives to talented athletes who excelled during the competition with substantial amount awarded. For gold, we gave 50,000 pesos for our gold medalists in the last NMRA, silver and bronze medals. To further inculcate sports culture in the province, the provincial government of Misamis Occidental is also working on development of our sports infrastructure so that our local athletes have a quality training area and durable equipment. It is our firm belief that through sports, we can create a more inclusive and connected community. The values and lessons it teaches our athletes and players extend far beyond the playing field, shaping individuals who are better equipped to contribute positively to society. As we embark on this tournament, I hope that you will all enjoy the experience. Let this event be a celebration of not just a competition, but of building camaraderie. To all our participants in both categories, I commend you for your passion and commitment to this intellectual pursuit. Whether you are a grandmaster or an amateur, your presence here contributes to the vibrancy of this tournament. Remember that every move you make is a step towards self-improvement and a deeper understanding of this beautiful game. Agi og pagpasalamat and in recognition of your participation in this tournament, your lunch today and tomorrow will already be free. Labaw na siguro kung kusog inyong pakpak na libre na ang inyong panuto. Every participants in both categories, you will be entitled, whether win or lose, basta nagpa-register, makadawat na mo og ayuda tag 3,000 pesos. Probably to visit our different tourist destinations. Gusto ba ninyo dumagan? Mula o ako nakita ang inyong enthusiasm. Ganiha pag-anunsyo sa atong Master of Ceremony na ang inyong prizes karon courtesy na sa City Government of Osamis headed by Mayor Henry F. Wananag. Kung namati mo kaniha, kung wala makapamati, i-anunsyo sa MC kung pilay premyo gikan sa number 10 paingon sa champion na gihatag sa dakbayan sa Usamis Team Asenso. Ako tong paga-dobliho. Of course, that was in addition sa inyong tag 3,000. Excited naman mo, no? Na magpadayon na sa mga group. Okay? So, ang prices o mga puhon, inikahuman, pero ang inyong ayuda o niyang hapon sa human sa inyong game, inyong nang madawa. Okay? So, sa katapusan, I wish you all the best of luck and may this tournament be filled with thrilling matches, unforgettable moments, and lasting friendship. Mabuhay o daghang salamat!
Miss noon ko, oh, 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 oh. Kisuruyan, laagan, nang di makumpara pa sa
Laag sa
uban
miss up